Okay guys, we're going to show you something interesting. So I have a Zenit camera. It comes in a bag like this. It says Helios. Okay. It's like a leather kind of bag. Then comes with the lens. I mean the camera and the lens. It comes with one flash. I tried inserting battery inside, but I'm not sure why I can't make it fire through this button. I'm not sure, like, is it because I need to put on a camera? But it seems like there's a ready light inside, which is showing that it's ready. Okay, I guess it's ready. I'm gonna off it first so that my battery does not drain. There's some cable, which I'm not sure what is it for. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And then the camera itself. I'm gonna put this on. I will set this bag aside for now and open this. Zenit EM. Oh, take out the case. Okay. The light meter works. It responds to light. Besides that, okay, let's test the. Oh no! The the hot shoe came out. Okay. Let's see. I see, okay. No! Okay, so please note that the hot shoe is off from the camera. And yeah. Anyways. Just now I saw the ready light, but when I pressed, can I? Ooh. Okay, again. Oh, I'm not sure if it's captured on camera, but it actually fires. Oh. Okay, I show you. Okay, yeah. Oh, actually it works, Interesting. Okay, so put it one side, off it, so that it doesn't drain my batteries. Take out batteries in case I forget. Okay. Okay, so gonna take out the lens. By the way, the handbook come together. Okay, so this is the front, one side, the other side, the top, the bottom. What's that sound? The back. Okay, so we're gonna test the speeds. Ooh, got film. Okay, I removed the film, but it's very dirty, so maybe I'm gonna throw this away. Okay, so let's get back to the shutter test. So let's start with 500 shutter. Again, so you can see that it works. Then let's do 250. 250 works. 125. 125 works. 60. 60 works. 30 works. Let's do bulb mode. Bulb mode works. So all shutter works. Now we go to the lens. It's a Helios 44mm lens, 58f2. This is a front condition. This is a side. Focus is tight but smooth. Blades fully work. Maximum f16. Okay. Oh, okay. This is f16. If I engage manual. Oh, okay. Just now it was a bit loose. So this is f16, not just now. Okay, let's engage auto again. So yeah, auto works as well. This is the back. Okay. Okay, now let's do a shine test for the lens. Okay. This is 8116285. So there you go. This is a lens. And if you like this whole set, you can let me know. I can sell it to you. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. And thank you everyone for watching this. See you guys next time. Bye. God bless.